Guys, so this is a fire alarm tour of my mom's work building. And this is a simplex true horn strobe. Over here we have another simplex true horn strobe. Then we have a fire extinguisher box. Up there's another simplex true horn strobe and an exit sign, and also a smoke detector. Over here we have a simplex true horn strobe. Another simplex true horn strobe. Then there are two smoke detectors and also a simplex pull station. Here in the library, no fire alarm in here, it looks like. But if we go, here's a fire extinguisher. Here in the men's restroom, over there, there's another simplex true remote strobe, just like the ones in the stairwell. Over here, there's another smoke detector. In here, there's another simplex true I'm not sure if that's a remote strobe or a horn strobe. Oh, but there's a simplex true remote strobe. And then a smoke detector and also an emergency light. Right there. Then over here we have a fire extinguisher, then another simplex pull station, and then another simplex true horn strobe. In here there's another smoke detector, and another simplex true remote strobe. And this is my mom's work building. Over there in the stairwell, there's an emergency light and another simplex pull station, and back where I started. So bye.